What we've done here is we've flipped this Hurricane over. It's a Power Wheels Jeep Hurricane. Put it on a padded bench of some sort. We're going to change the gearbox. So what you do is you pop this hubcap off. It comes off there pretty easy once you get it started. Then you remove this. It comes out of there. That's the axle retainer. You pull the wheel off like that. Then you want to slide the axle out. And you have to take the other side, that hubcap off. You take it off, you slide your axle out. Now there's several retaining screws that hold this assembly on. I've taken those out earlier to show you. But you take that out, there's about 6 or 8 of them. This lifts off. Here your gearboxes are exposed. We decided this has got a bad gearbox, so we're going to go ahead and use the original motor. It's fine. And you pull those out. There's 2 screws that hold that motor in. Okay. Here it is. You wipe it clean. It looks really good. We're going to go ahead and get the other gearbox. We got the other gearbox. You might clean that out if it's dirty. Then you set this in here. What you want to use too, you see that blue stuff on there, that's Loctite, and that's medium strength. It may be a red bottle, but it's medium strength. Put you a dab of that right on there. Okay? That way when you put those motors back in and tighten them up, they'll stay tight. The Hummer is notorious at those coming loose. So you might want to make sure, that you Hummer owners out there, that you get that fixed. Just open your gearbox. Got to get those lined up just right. Don't over tighten them. This is preset, so it's works pretty good. Then you do that. You got your motor on. Put that back. Put your cover back on. Slide your axle through, and put it all back together again, just like it was. Normally, you can get these gearboxes at kidcarsandparts.com. Thank you.